It's a judgment call, right? I mean, it's a judgment call in terms of where the power utility, power sector is moving. I can argue always both ways because it's a sector which has seen a run-up, but the sector where best is yet to come. I mean, based on our understanding of the sector, and when we spoke to Mr. Sinha when he was in the studio as a guest editor, looks like the best for the power sector is yet to come in. The sector is robust. That entire challenge in terms of DISCOM's inability to pay back to power utilities, I think that is getting sorted. Power reforms, I don't think they're done yet. The last leg of power reforms are kicking in. So post-elections, hopefully we will see large changes at the distribution level. Now, if you are looking at utilities, if there are changes and reforms at the power distribution level, they really would be the biggest beneficiary. Because in India, capacity addition, I think, is robust. Energy transmission is real. The challenge for utility, of course, has been the equation in the relationship with DISCOMs, and that's where power distribution reforms, they have to kick in. So I think the best is yet to come for the sector. I don't think we can independently look at historical valuations and say, okay, this is right, this is wrong, because historically, historically power companies essentially had to run on one leg and with hand tied. Now, for the first time, they're getting what really could be called as the real deal, where they essentially would be benefiting disproportionately of what is happening in the power terrain, both in terms of demand and also in terms of the policy action. I think, see, look at the BofA report. They're talking about a growth of about 7%, right?
That is after removing the 100 basis. Growth is actually 8.7. They're saying 100 basis points will move off the grid.
Yeah, so 8.7% with power reform kicking in, energy transition at play. I think the best is yet to come in this sector.